Hi, I'm Amber Belt, co-owner of Sage Sirona, naturopathic physician, and roller derby queen. I'm not actually a roller derby queen. I am a fairly mediocre roller derby player who really loves the game. And today I got to drive less than a couple hours away from my home to play in a derby scrimmage. And the opportunities to play roller derby over the past few years have been few and far between. So if I can drive a fairly short distance to my house, I'm going to do that and I'm going to play. Now, since I am driving, you all know I'm going to have my auto kit with me. And I want to take just a minute to point out two items in this kit that are crucial to me as a roller derby player to have on hand. All right, let me open this up. So the first item that is really important to me is, wrong remedy, is Arnica montana. And this arnica is in a homeopathic pellet form, and I am going to use this arnica for trauma. Now that trauma could be from taking an impact and getting a bruise, which of course is pretty common in roller derby. It can be for a sore neck if I take a hit and my neck gets a little whiplashy, or I will take it and have taken it if I hit my head, which happens not very often, but it does happen sometimes. And when it does, I'm really, really glad to have my arnica on hand. So when I think of trauma of any type, I think of taking arnica. Now, the second item that I'm going to pull out of the kit and show you is this anti-inflammatory formula. And anti-inflammatory formula is made by Mountain Peak Nutritionals, and it's an herbal formula that decreases pain and promotes the healing process. So, if I do get that whiplashy neck thing, if I happen to tweak my ankle or I have a headache or anything like that, I'm going to get this on board right away. And I will absolutely, if I need to, take these two things together because I know that they both work really well for my body to help me heal up from whatever trauma happens to me playing roller derby. So that's it. I just wanted to pull out a couple items in this kit and show you what's crucial to me as an athlete that plays a high impact sport. Now, if you have a minute, I would so appreciate it if you went to our website at sagesirona.com and checked things out. You can also find us at Sage Sirona on Instagram or on Facebook. That's it for today. I hope you get to do something you love this weekend, and I hope you have some time to relax and get out in nature. Bye.